Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt here with TRW, and this is Ask Matt, Season 2, Episode 236. So, in today's episode, an awesome question. We always have awesome questions, right? But this question, Eric asked, and Eric said, hey, Matt, I'm looking at getting a heat press. What size heat press do I need? Because I may want to do larger items. So what if I want to do something bigger than a shirt, but I want to heat press a tent or something like that? And do I need to go out and get a press much bigger than a 16 by 20 press? Or one of these huge, expensive presses that I see to do these large designs? It depends on what you're using. So if you're just using heat transfer vinyl, no problem at all. I've done tons of different tents and all types of large items just by pressing multiple presses. So it works a lot better if you have two people. I'm going to show you an example here of Philip and Erica doing it in our Shirts and Stones location. But what they're actually doing right here, this is them pressing a large kind of crime scene drape. So we do a lot of these large crime scene drapes with heat transfer vinyl, and you can see how they're just moving it along and doing multiple presses. And what this allows you to do is, I could have even, back to the press here, so I'm at 20 inches by 16 inches. I can go as wide or as long as I want, just moving it down like they were there in the video. But even if it were larger as well, okay, I could do a section here, and then I would always kind of try to start to where you could fold it up there, or you just turn it upside down and then flip it around the other way. So honestly, there's not really anything that I've thought of or I've ever pressed that I haven't been able to press. Okay, so just think of it that way. I've yet to ever run into something that I couldn't press, whether it's a huge 10 by 10 tent that I'm customizing or putting a logo on, something like that. A crime scene drape, like you see right there. Probably nobody here has done something like that before, right? But again, something different. But by knowing that I could do it this way, it allowed me to obviously get that job, right? So when you're looking at getting a heat press, the biggest reason why I always recommend the 16 by 20 press is it just makes it easier to line up your shirts. If I'm doing Bling Anything decals, right, and I'm pressing rhinestone decals or glitter heat transfer vinyl decals, I could do multiples and more at the same time. So that's what I'm thinking about, is the time saving in all of that part, but not necessarily the size of the design. And it's pretty rare. Even the 9 by 12 little craft presses are going to fit 90% of your shirt designs as well, right? So just think about that stuff when you're looking into a press. But hopefully this video and this Ask Matt gave you some ideas of being able to press those larger items with whatever press you have. You don't have to go buy a new press. You guys know me. I'm trying to find as many ways to save you money as possible, because the more money you save and the more products you can create with what you currently have, the more money your business makes, right? And that's what we're talking about. That's what this is for. Save you money and allow you to create more items for your business. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to click that like button. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the little bell right next to it and comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know the largest thing you've ever pressed. But just comment below and say, Matt, I love these Ask Matts. They're helping my business out. Thanks for sharing everything. I like to hear that stuff, right? I like to know when I'm helping you guys. Honestly, I really do. When you guys, not to make me feel good, just more to know that these are helping you guys and helping your business. And that's my whole goal of all these. I'm not selling you anything, right? I'm just giving you some awesome information that I wish I had when I was starting my business. So thanks for watching, guys. Again, click the like button, subscribe, the little bell right next to it, comment below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Crew, later.